Hello, I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 15 of this series. If you want to learn more about why I went to Tokyo in 2012 and why I'm showing this now in 2024, I recommend that you watch part 1 of this series, which is the introduction. I will be using the notes that I wrote in French back in 2012. Vendredi 10 août 2012. So here is Japan and here is Tokyo. Skype de 5h30 à 6h30, à l'école jusqu'à 13h. Every morning I walked from the house there to Kosuge Station, then at Kosuge Station I took 3 trains to Shinokubo Station, which was somewhere there, and then I walked to Kai Japanese Language School. À 13h30, départ pour Shodome, Park Hamarikyu. So Shodome Station there, and Hamarikyu Gardens is there. So, I'm in Minato, at Shodome. So that's restaurant, magasin, tout ça. Et je vais partir à la recherche du jardin Hamarikyu. So we'll go looking for the Hamarikyu Gardens, dans le coin, au milieu de tout ça, which is not too far. 230 mètres apparemment, j'ai un panneau qui m'indique. Voilà. Right, Hamarikyu Garden, 230 meters away. Je m'aperçois que je l'ai déjà fait après le marché de Tsukiji. So, what happened is I've realized I've already done this garden. I've just realized that now. Because I thought the place looked familiar. Because on my map, that's just a map of the area. And when I visited it, it's because I had another map of another area, right? So there you go, I've already seen this. So instead I'm going to go shopping in Akihabara for the afternoon. I was using paper maps because I didn't have internet on my phone. I could only use the Wi-Fi like at school or at the house. So I had to use paper maps, but instead of having like one big map, which would be inconvenient because you need to go see the details really, I had like a book with all the different districts, and then you had for each district you had a little map. So when I visited Tsukiji Fish Market, I had the gardens on this map, and then the gardens were apparently on the map for another district. So I thought, oh, gardens, but I had already seen them actually. Donc finalement, balade à Akihabara jusqu'à environ 17h30. Achat d'un étui pour carte SD. So instead, I went to Akihabara, which is there, Akihabara Station. That's really cool. So that's a translator for like Japanese English. That's more like a dictionary, I guess. That's really, really nice, this thing to learn Japanese. Oh, that's a way. That's a digital, like blackboard, basically. Sugoi desu. And then I went back to Kosuge Station and walked to the house. Alright, I really hope that you enjoyed this tiny little video. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!